Hi, it's Chris. Today we're going to replace your lint filter, a process that you typically do every time you do laundry, but we're going to show you a little bit of information on how to clean out your vent at the same time. To replace your lint filter, it's very, very straightforward. It's something you typically do every time you do a load of laundry, or if you're not, it's a good idea to do so. So we're just open the door, reach in, remove the filter. And before we put the new one in, I'm just going to show you a couple things to take a look at, and you may want to follow this process as well. So as you typically would when you do your laundry, you're going to clean your filter before you start. And it's simply a matter of removing it. But this is the ideal time to take a look and just to make sure that not only does the filter catch all the lint, but anything that gets past it will fall down into this area. And that lint will restrict the airflow and cause your dryer to take longer to dry than it typically would. So we're just going to take a few seconds. We're going to grab the shop vac and we're just going to show you how to quickly remove any lint that's down in this area so it doesn't become a problem in the future. So it's just a matter of turning on your vacuum, insert the crevice tool down into where your lint filter sits in, and remove any of the lint that's down in there as well. It's just that easy and makes a world of difference in the efficiency of the machine. With that area cleaned out, take your new lint filter and slide it into place, and you're ready to go.